Good morning, guys. I ended up hanging out a bit with Moss yesterday. Just went to my room, laid down on my back, fell asleep. That's nice. I don't quite have control over my thoughts these days. It sucks. I just find myself wanting to distract myself constantly. That's why I'm heading over to Moss in a second. I need to not think so much. I can't stop. But maybe I can turn it down a little bit. Pobre niño. Pobre niño. Hanging out at Moss Place. It's nice here. I really appreciate him. I forgot to lock the door. Close it. I talked to him yesterday about some personal stuff too. It's nice. I normally don't talk to friends about stuff. Hello, guys. I'm heading over to do a little bit of shopping in this other town, not the one that's closest. I've been in this direction a few times now. I can't wait to get better recording equipment. I'm just using my phone. When I get better recording equipment, I can write faster and talk at the same time. It's gonna be amazing. Looks like Yes and Thomas wants to help me out getting a 360 cam. Let's see how that works out. That'd be amazing, right? Been playing around with Nikki. She's so sweet. We just played a bunch. I'm making sushi. We finished eating. Thomas and Yes went to the city. I'm just staying here with Moss, chilling. It's just one of those slow days. Alright, guys. It's been a long day. I'm gonna go chill out down here in my little cave. Get on the PC. Watch some stuff. Good morning, guys. Been too lazy to really do anything today. So, I'm just getting some breakfast, some tea, and some milk. Been feeling kind of down these past few days. I guess it's just stemming from meeting a person and immediately feeling some kind of connection. Neither romantic nor sexual, just kind of like a deeper. It's difficult to put into words, but like as if you've known each other or as if you got history in another life or something. But then you find out you're the only one who feels that way. Yeah. Makes you question, am I going nuts? Or do they just don't realize? In any case, I'm probably just gonna have a slow day hanging out here until I go hang out with Moss. I don't really see much else happening. Oh yeah, yesterday, before Yes left, he put some meat in the oven for us and boiled some potatoes. So I made some béarnaise sauce and we ate that for dinner yesterday. I still got some scraps of meat left I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna have to go shopping at one point. But first, tea. Ugh. Wet. Cold. I'm gonna head over to Moss. See if he's down to hang out. Hopefully. Most of the time he is. I fixed Moss's lighter the other day. How I did it was by... let me show you. Here you go. So the clippers, they have this thing inside them with a replaceable flint. You can screw this thing out, put a new flint in. This thing can't be refilled and it ran out of gas. So I opened it up, removed the wheel, the child lock, and took the flint out. So now I can fix another lighter. And these flints are huge. These will last forever. They're like twice as long as a regular flint. So yeah, don't throw your old lighters away, or let other people throw theirs away. Try and extract the flint. I mean, I guess you can buy these, but why would you? There are disposable lighters everywhere. I hate how I always have to slow down to record so the microphone in my phone can hear anything I say. I'm just going on a short little shopping trip. Gonna get a few things we need, milk and rolled oats and such. Well, see ya guys.
Sí, la barra. Så ska jag se så.
Yeah, it's very, you're gonna have to think a lot over how. So basically now you just stay awake, don't you? Just on the off chance that I've got 1/6 left.
Så yes.